Good morning, all of you. How are you, my children? I think all of you are fine. So, we have studied in our lower classes how to find the area of different two-dimensional figures. Is it? Just have a look here. See here, you can see different two-dimensional figures are there. Rectangle, square, circle, and two triangles also. Do you know how to find the area of these figures? For the first figure, for this rectangle, length and breadth is given. Length is given as L and breadth as B. How will we find the area of this rectangle? In area. Yes, as you know, it's very simple, and this it is the product of length and breadth. Similarly, for the square, same condition, yes. That is here side into side, both are same, therefore a into a, and we can write it as a square or a into a. And here a circle with radius r. And what is the area of this circle? That is, yes, as you said, or as you know, it is pi r square. And the next one, you can see two triangles are there. And here height is given. Height is measured as h, and the base we consider as b. And how will we find the area of such triangles? Yes, it is half bh. And here also it is half bh. Because the height is given, so already we have studied it. Now here another triangle is given. Sides of the triangles are given here. 7 cm, 24 cm, and 25 cm. How will we find the area of the given triangle? So can we use half bh here? See, base, we can consider this side as base. Then what about height? This is not given. So it's not possible to use. Then how will we find? Or how will we find the area of this triangle? So, to find the area of this triangle, a famous Greek mathematician Heron has introduced a formula here by using the three sides of a triangle. So, today we are discussing the Heron's formula. So, he introduced a formula which consists of three sides of a triangle, that is called Heron's formula. Then, what is Heron's formula? See, Heron's formula is given. See, for a triangle, if the sides are A, B, C, see the sides of a triangle are A, B, C, then area of this triangle is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then what is S? S equal to what? A plus B plus C. That means the sum of all sides or the perimeter divided by 2. That is, S we can call it as semi-perimeter or half the perimeter. So listen here. See, this is the Heron's formula. That is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is the half of the perimeter or sum of all sides divided by 2, or we can use semi-perimeter also. So today we are discussing what is the use or how to apply Heron's formula to find area of the triangle, and we can understand what is the use of this formula also. So listen, what are the objective of today? To understand Heron's formula and to apply Heron's formula to solve the problems involving triangles with the given length. So what is Heron's formula? What is that? That is, area of a triangle is a formula to find the area of the triangle where the three sides are given. What is that? Root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is the sum of A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now let's do a question by using this one. See, find the area of a triangle with the sides 7 cm, 24 cm and 25 cm. Even though this was our first question, 7 cm, 24 cm and 25 cm. Then how can we find the area of this triangle? So then we have to use Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula here? So we can find the area of this triangle using Heron's formula. Then what is Heron's formula? Yes, that is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Where S equals A plus B plus C all divided by 2 means half of the perimeter. So let us draw a triangle. And let us consider one side as 7 centimeter and the other side as 24 centimeter and the other one as 25 centimeter. Then how can we find the area of this triangle? So consider one side as A, the other one as B and the other one as C. So to apply Heron's formula, we should know what is the value of S, is it? So how do we find the value of S here? See, S is given as A plus B plus C all divided by 2, means half of the perimeter. A plus B plus C. We have to add all the sides, is it? Divided by 2. So if you add all these sides, 7 plus 24 plus 25 divided by 2. Then what will be the value of this? 25 plus 24. How much will be that? That will be 49 plus 7 will be 56. So 56 divided by 2. So what is the half of 56? Will be 28. So we got the value of S equal to 28. Then we should find S minus A. So for that, we should know what is the value of A, B, C. Here we know that A equal to 7 centimeter and B we consider as 24 centimeter and C we can treat it as 25 centimeter. So let us find what is S minus A. S already we got 28 minus A. What is that? 7. Then what is 28 minus 7? 28 minus 7, everybody know, this is very simple, 21 centimeter. Then S minus B. What is the value of S minus B? That is 28 minus, what is B? 24. That is equal to 4. Then S minus C. That is 28 minus, then C is 25. So what is the value? It is 3 centimeter. So we got all the values. See, S is there, S minus A is there. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute all the values in the given equation. So let us substitute all the values. Then what will we get? So area equals square root of, the equation is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Substitute, let's substitute the values, is it? Then what will be that? Root of S is 28. So 28 into S minus A will be 21, S minus B 4 and S minus C 3. So we got all the values there. Now let us simplify. Then how will we find the square root of these values? So for that, let us factorize using prime numbers. I think all of you are aware about this one. So how will we factorize 28? The lowest prime number. What is the lowest prime number? Yes, 2. So divide 28 by 2 and we will get 14. Is it? Again by 2. So what will we get? 7. Then, so we can express 28 as a product of 2 into 7. Then similarly, 21 is very simple, is it? How can we express 21 as a product of two prime numbers? That is 7 into 3 or 3 into 7. Then into 4, is it? That is 2 into 2. And into 3. Now let us rearrange it. See, because 2 into 2 is 7 into 2 is, and here you can see 3. And doesn't have a pair, that pair is at the last. So we can write root of 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into. Now we can write this 3 together. 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. We know that multiplication is associative, is it? So here we can write 2 into 2, then 7 into 7, 3 into 3 and 2 into 2. Then how will we find the value of this one? Just making them pairs. This concept already we have studied in grade 8. The squares and square roots, is it? So what is the square root of 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. From there, what we will take one number from each pair. That is, from here we will take 2 into here 7, and from there we will take 3, and finally 2. Now let us multiply them. Then what is 2 into 3? 6. Is it? Then what is 6 into 7? 6 into 7? 42. 42 into 2? 84. So the area of the given triangle is 84 square centimeter, or we can write as 84 centimeters square. So if the three sides of a triangle is given, how can we find the area of a triangle? That is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s equal to a plus b plus c by 2, that is perimeter divided by 2, or half the perimeter. So dear children, this is the method to find area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Now let me give a question to you. Just look here. Find the area of a triangle. Two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. Here is a question. Can you find the area of this particular question? See, area of a triangle whose two sides are given here, and perimeter is also given. Then how will we find the area of this triangle? So let's do it. Okay. So here this is given that for a triangle, two sides are given and the perimeter is given. Suppose let us draw a rough diagram for this one. See, one side is given as 10 centimeter and the other is given as 18 centimeter, and the perimeter of this figure is given. What is the perimeter here? Perimeter is given as 42 centimeter. Is it? 42 centimeter is the perimeter. So here we have to find the third side here. How can we find the third side here? How can we find? From 42 we can subtract the sum of these two numbers. Is it? Okay. So what will be that? The third side equal. Third side is 42 minus then the sum of that values or two sides. That is 42 minus 28. Then what is the value of 42 minus 28? Let us find it. Then here will be 4 and this will be 1. So we got 14 centimeter. So we got, what is the third side here? What is that? 14 centimeter. So look here. So what is the question? Find the area of a triangle whose two sides are 10 centimeter and 18 centimeter, and the perimeter is 42 centimeter. So here 10, 18 and the third side also we got it. Now you can find the area of this triangle by using Heron's formula. Is it? So what is Heron's formula? What is Heron's formula? What is that? Here. What is that? Root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s equal to what? A plus b plus c by 2, or the perimeter divided by 2. Then how can we find the area of the given triangle? Yes, we have to use Heron's formula, is it? How will we use Heron's formula here? As you know, what is the Heron's formula? Heron's formula is by you how what is the equation to find or what is the Heron's formula? How can we find the area? That is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. Then what is s? S equals perimeter or sum of all the sides. If you consider this as A, B, C. Perimeter, sum of all sides divided by 2. So let us consider A equals 10 centimeter and B we can consider as 18 centimeter and C we can consider as 14 centimeter. Then first of all we have to find S here, is it? Then how will we find S here? So S equal to what? What is S? A plus B plus C all divided by 2. Is it? That means 10 plus 18 plus 14 all divided by 2. Otherwise, how can we find it? It's already given in the question that perimeter is 42. So directly we can write also. Okay. So what is this? 42. So 42 by 2. So here 42 by 2, what is the perimeter here? 42, is it? So 40, what is 42 by 2? What is that? Yes. This 21, is it? Then next we have to find what is s minus a. Then what is the value of s minus a? S equal to 21, so 21 minus, then a we consider as 10. So 21 minus 10, that is 11. Then what is s minus b? S minus b is what? 21 minus 18. That will be s similarly 3. And finally the third one, s minus c. What is that? 21 minus 14 centimeter. What is 21 minus 14? Yes, 7. So we got all the values. Now let us find or let us apply Heron's formula in the given question. Or why let us find the area of the triangle using the Heron's formula. That is root of the value of s. What is that? 21 into then s minus a. What is that? 21 minus 10. That is 10 into s minus b. That is how we got 3. Into then s minus c, that is 7. Then as you know, there are two composite numbers, is it? 21 and 10. We have to factorize using prime numbers. So what will we get if we factorize 21? Yes, that is 3 into 7. Then what is 10? 10 how can we express? It is 2 into 5. Then finally 3 into 7. So let us rearrange to make the same pairs. Is it? So here 3 is there, this 3 and this 3 we can write together. And here what 7 is there, here also what 7 is there. We can write them also together. And the next, so we have already wrote 3 together, 7 also, but that 2 and 5, they don't have pairs. So let it be there inside the root or under the root. Then we can take one from each pair. That is 3 into 7. Then the rest let it be in the root. So what is the area here? 3 into 7, that is 21. Then root 10 centimeter square. So we can apply Heron's formula to find the area of the triangle if the sides are given. Okay, so what is Heron's formula? Heron's formula is what? Root of s square root of s into s minus a s minus b s minus c, where s equal to half the perimeter or semi-perimeter or the sum of all sides divided by 2. Now, where will we apply this Heron's formula? So just have a look. See where will we use where will we apply Heron's formula in our daily life? See here, in land survey, you know, The surveys are always using this Heron's formula to find the area of the land, especially which is not structured. See an example here. For example, here see, suppose is a land. See how is it structured? So in such cases, what will they do? They will divide this land into triangles. See here one triangle, here another triangle, here another triangle. So they will divide this land into triangles and they will measure the length of each side. See this we can measure, because all the sides are measured. Then they can find the area of one triangle, the next one, similarly the next one, and finally this. Like this they can measure the area of each triangle, and finally the sum of all areas will be the area of the land. So we will use this Heron's formula especially in land surveying and construction and architecture also. When they are constructing new buildings, especially to find the area of the triangular regions, they will use Heron's formula. And navigation and map making also, especially to find the different types of lands will be there. And so there also they will use Heron's formula. And astronomy, to find the area of the stars, celestial bodies, like this many areas are there. So everywhere they will use this Heron's formula. And in sports and games, in art and design, so even in farming also, everywhere the Heron's formula is used, especially in farming to find the, say especially to find the area of this triangular fields and how much quantity of seed is required. So for all these, we will use Heron's formula. So these are some of the applications of Heron's formula. See, land survey, construction and architecture, navigation, astronomy, sports and art, everywhere we will use Heron's formula. Now, there is a question for you. Find the area of a triangle with side 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm. Can you find it using Heron's formula? So what is Heron's formula? Yes, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2, or half the perimeter. Then how do we find the area of this triangle? Okay, so here these are the sides. So let us consider one side as 6 cm and the second side as 8 cm. And finally, the third side we can consider as, or this given, we can consider 8 these respectively. Then we can use Heron's formula here. What is that? Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So what will be that? First let us find what is s. So what will be the value of s? What is the value of s here? Yes, a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c all divided by 2. Means we have to add all the sides, is it? That is 6 plus 8 plus 10 by 2. Then what is 6 plus 8? 14. Then 14 plus 10? 24. So 24 divided by 2. So what's the answer? It will be 2. Now let's find s minus a. S minus a. What is s minus a? 12 minus 6. Then easy to write 6. Then what is s minus b? 12 minus 8, that is 4. Then what is s minus c? 12 minus 10 will be 2. Now let us find area using Heron's formula. What is the area? That is equal to root of s. What is the value of s? 12. In s minus a, that is 6. Already we have done it. S minus a equal to 6. And s minus b, that is 4. And finally s minus c equal to 2. So we have to prime factorize it. As you know, how will we factorize 12? This is an even number, so we can factorize it by 2. So 12 by 2, what is the value? 6. Again it is divisible by 2. So we will get 6 by 2 will be 3 finally. So we can write 12 we can express as 2 into 2 into 3. The next 6. It's very simple ruling 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. Again 4. 2 into 2 and finally this 2. Now we can take the take the pairs. So look here one pair, here another one, and we will take one value from each pair. So what will be the values? Or we will take one number from each. From here we will take 1, 2. And from here what will we take? Yes, 3. And here also 2. And finally from there also we take 2. That is 2 into 3. What is that? 6. Then again 6 into 2. What is that? Is 12 into 2 will be 24. So the area of this given figure as you did, the area will be 24 centimeters square. So what did we discuss today? Today we discussed Heron's formula and its application. So what is Heron's formula? If the three sides of a triangle is given, then we can easily find the area of the given triangle. That is root of area of the triangle is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And we have discussed different questions how to apply Heron's formula. Then its application in real life. Now listen, there are some components for it. See, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. That is the first question for you. And the second one, write one real world example where Heron's formula could be applied. So already we discussed, then just try to find it. So what did we discuss today? Today we have discussed Heron's formula, an important formula that is by a famous Greek mathematician, that is Heron, and he introduced a new formula to find the area of a triangle, that is root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is the half of the perimeter, or a plus b plus c by 2. So we will discuss different types of questions using this Heron's formula on the coming classes. Thank you.